What's up, credit repair junkies? Welcome back to the podcast where we keep it real, keep it tactical, and most importantly, keep it profitable. I'm Bruce Falatano, founder of Credit Repair Junkies, and today we're diving into something that holds most new CROs back before they even get started: how to sell credit repair without feeling salesy. Let's be honest, sales has a bad rep. You think about the pushy car salesman, spammy DMs, manipulative tactics, and if you're anything like most new credit repair business owners, you probably feel a little bit weird or awkward asking someone for money, especially when their credit is already in bad shape. But I'm here to help you flip that script. Today's episode is going to show you that selling isn't about pressure, it's about serving. Selling is helping. Selling is leadership. Selling is guiding someone toward a better version of their life. If you can internalize that, you'll never feel weird about selling again. So let's break it down. Let me tell you a quick story. I remember my very first credit repair consultation like it was yesterday. I was nervous. I had a notebook in front of me with some bullet points on what to say. My palms were sweaty. The person on the other end was clearly skeptical. I did my best to explain what I did. I talked about sending letters, removing negative items, credit monitoring. Then they asked, "How much does it cost?" And I froze. I mumbled something like, "Well, it kind of depends. We usually start around $99 to get going, and then there's a monthly fee, but we can work something out." Does that sound familiar? Needless to say, they didn't sign up. And honestly, I don't blame them, because even though I knew I could help them, I didn't sound like someone who could. I didn't sound confident. I didn't sound trustworthy. I sounded unsure. And people don't buy from unsure people. Fast forward to today, I've sold thousands of credit repair packages, and I do it with full integrity, zero pressure, and complete confidence. I want to show you how. Here's the deal. Most new CROs hate selling for one of three reasons. One, they feel like they're taking advantage of people. You're talking to someone who's already in financial stress. Maybe they just got denied for a home loan or a car. Asking for money feels wrong. Two, they don't believe in their value. If you're not 100% convinced that your service changes lives, you're going to hesitate. And that hesitation shows up in your voice, your tone, and your energy. Three, they're using a broken script. Most CROs think sales is about talking more, but real sales is about listening better. The goal is not to pitch people, it's to understand them so you can guide them to the right decision. So if you've ever thought to yourself, "I don't want to sound pushy, I hate asking for money, I don't know how to convince people to buy," you're not alone. But we're gonna fix that today. Let's start with a mindset shift that changed everything for me. Sales is not about convincing someone to do something they don't want to do. Sales is about helping someone make a powerful decision to improve their life with your guidance. Think about it. If someone's credit is holding them back, you're not selling them, you're saving them. You're saving them from being stuck, from continually getting denied and living in stress. You are the bridge between their pain and their potential. When you approach a conversation like that, everything changes. You're not pitching, you're prescribing. You're not begging, you're leading. You're not hoping for a yes, you're helping them create one. This identity shift is critical. You must stop seeing yourself as a salesperson and start seeing yourself as a trusted advisor. Let me give you a 5-part framework you can use on every single consultation call. I teach this inside the CRO bootcamp, and it works like magic. Step 1, build connection. Open with empathy. Ask simple questions like, "How did you hear about us?" or "What made you reach out today?" People don't buy when they feel like a transaction. They buy when they feel seen. Step 2, understand the pain. Ask, what are your credit goals? What are you trying to do that your credit is holding you back? Ask how long this has been a problem. The more pain you uncover, the more motivated they become. Step 3, paint the dream. Ask, what would having great credit allow you to do? Get them visualizing, buying a house, starting a business, peace of mind. Emotion drives decisions. Help them connect to their why. Step 4, diagnose the gap. Pull up their credit report. Show them what's wrong. Explain what needs to happen. Step 5, prescribe the path. Say, based on what I see and what you shared, I'd recommend we start with our credit repair program. Clearly explain the process, the price, and the next steps. And then you say, "So if you're ready, let's get you enrolled today and start fixing this right away." That's it. You're not selling, you're leading them to a solution. Let's take it even further. Here are some additional techniques you can implement right now. First, use testimonials in conversations. Say things like, "I just helped someone in a very similar situation last week. They're already seeing progress." 2, give, then ask. Offer a free credit audit or some form of value up front. It builds trust and positions you as a giver, not a taker. 3, practice objection handling like a pro. When someone says, "I need to think about it," respond with, "Sure, just so I understand, What exactly do you need to think about? This opens the door to a deeper conversation and can help move them past their resistance. 4, don't sell to everyone. It's okay to disqualify some people if they're not ready. That posture makes you more credible. When you say, this might not be the right fit for you right now, it builds authority. If you got value from today's episode, here's what I want you to remember. Sales isn't something you do to people, it's something you do for people. When you approach your calls from a place of genuine care, clear structure, and confidence in your value, you will never feel salesy again. If you want to go deeper, if you want scripts, role plays, frameworks, and live coaching to help you become a CRO sales pro, I want to personally invite you to join the CRO Bootcamp. Inside the CRO Bootcamp, I'll help you generate $10,000 per month by enrolling your first 100 clients in 100 days, guaranteed, and build a fully automated credit repair business in the process. Visit creditrepairjunkies.com/go to learn more and claim your spot. Let's build your business the right way together. Until next time, keep serving powerfully. Peace.